are currently driving into Vancouver. My lovely wife has surprised me for my birthday. We packed hiking gear. I have no idea what she has planned. So I'm assuming we're going for a hike, probably go out for dinner. Maybe we're staying on the ocean. I don't know. But let's see where this goes. Okay, so we have arrived in an area called Deep Cove. Check it out. Got the marina. We had to drive through town, but it was just a lot of traffic, so I didn't really film any of it. Quaint little town. And we were going to go for a hike, but the way they have the parking set up with local traffic and everything, we had to park a little ways away from the hike. So now we got to hike to the hike. Let's get going. Okay, so we're going to be doing a hike called Quarry Rock. It's a pretty popular little trail, I believe. So I don't know if I'm going to film much of the hike just because there's going to be a lot of people on it, but I believe there's going to be a lot of views at the very end.
Woo! High five! Woo!
Quarry Rock entrance. We made it. How many steps was that? Climbed up a lot of steps to get to a bridge. It's a beautiful forest. We've just been going up steps the whole time. We're finally kind of traversing across. I got a bridge coming up with a little stream, but it's an amazing area. Hopefully we get to a nice viewpoint at the end. We'll see. Alright, we're on bridge number 2. Biggest creek we've crossed so far. This trail is very busy though. Alright, at the top. Vancouver in the distance. Might not show up on here. A lot of people. Okay, on our way back down to the parking lot. Krista says there's a well-known donut shop in Deep Cove, so we might go check it out. This is Deep Cove. And one of these shops, it's called Honey's Donut Shop. Apparently, it's really good, so we're gonna go check it out. So the donut shop was a bust. Line up down the street, and we are on a time constraint. And now we're at a hotel. See what type of view we get, and then get ready and go for dinner. Should be good. Okay, so this is the Lonsdale Quay Hotel, which is right above the market. First look at our room.
Nice. Not bad, not bad.
Pet friendly. Oh, 2 beds.
Yeah, the door tried to. Oh, sweet. It's totally ocean view. Look, you can see a tugboat, Ollie.
Tugboat, tugboat.
This is sweet.
Tugboat, tugboat.
Nice.
Oh.
When your name is Josh and it's your birthday and your wife treats you to a bottle of Josh. Okay, so it's day 2 of our birthday getaway. So we're gonna head out to Lynn Canyon. There's a suspension bridge over a creek or over a river. So we're gonna go check that out. Take the dog out as well. I think first though, because we're on the Lonsdale Quay, we're gonna go check out the market that we're at, check out any of the food options. There's a toy store. It is St. Patrick's Day, so we're gonna see if there's anything going on for St. Patrick's Day today as well. But yeah, let's get outside and have a fun day. Alright, here's the market. Nothing's open. Okay, slight change of plans because everything in the market opens kind of around 11 other than a couple of little shops right now. So we'll take the dog for the walk first and then come back here when they're open. Look at all the locks. Beautiful view of Vancouver, minus the one big ship right in the middle of it. Tons of little lots. Walk along the water here. This green space for the dog. Always a good reminder that in BC anyways, we are on unceded traditional lands with the First Nations peoples. Some cool houseboats. Got our coffee from Shipyard's Coffee with a little bit of Irish cream. Found some loungers. How's your smoothie, Oliver?
Good.
Yeah? And how's your smoothie?
Good.
Nice. Second go at the market and things are open. Flowers. Oh, candy. Oh, ice cream. We found the toy store. So we left the market and we found a brewery, the Black Kettle Brewery. So we can go check it out. It had good reviews. I think the brewery's back in there. So stop here for lunch and then we're gonna head to Lynn Canyon and find a suspension bridge, right Hannah?
Yeah.
Uno. That was an excellent meal. The really nice thing about that restaurant, it was very dog friendly. If you have a pet and you're looking to go somewhere to eat, that was awesome. So, anyways, we're off to Lynn Valley or Lynn Canyon, and we're gonna find a suspension bridge, go for a bit of a hike. So, okay, so we are at Lynn Canyon. So a lot of people might confuse this with Capilano Suspension Bridge. I've done Capilano, it's awesome, there's tons to do there. They got their treetop adventure. It's quite a lot busier than this one. I've never been here before though, so we're gonna go check it out. It was not far away from where we were staying, so but let's get hiking and find this suspension bridge. Start of a trail. And jump. Whoa. Huge. cave. See if we can get up there. So I don't think this is the access to the bridge. Found a pretty decent swimming hole. Busy. Some waterfalls up ahead we want to check out. Ruby's found a watering hole. Hannah is trapped. I'm gonna film you falling in the water. Oh, I made it. Alright. Not the suspension bridge yet, but big waterfall. Hard to see on camera. Wind Falls. Pack out what you bring in. I think we're getting closer, but we got to go up more steps. Kind of hard to see, but we were way down there. Climbed a ton of steps, so we got to be close to the bridge by now. Let's keep going. Chris, I found this. Thinks it looks like an elephant. I'm pretty sure it looks like a tree stump to me. Way down. We made it over the suspension bridge and Hannah wants to go again. But we did find a bonus waterfall then. But that's a long way down. 400 feet. Alright, finish the hike. Stop at the Lynn Canyon Cafe. Actually, bar to cool down. Now we go home, right? Yes, you can have a bite of mine. How's yours? Good. Okay, so we're just heading back to the car now. It's just around the corner, but it's a long drive home. So I just want to thank everyone for coming outdoors with me on my birthday. It's been an excellent little adventure, and thanks to my family for taking me. It's a nice, very nice surprise. But anyways, enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed the video.